UWI FC went down to their third straight defeat as the second round of the Red Stripe Premier League began this afternoon. A 58th-minute goal from Denardo Thomas and an 84th-minute strike from Tremaine Stewart saw the university team going down 2-0 to Waterhouse.
I mean, first, thanks be to God. I mean, it was an injury-free match for us today, and that was grateful. I mean, we have a clean sheet today, and 3 points a bonus on the road. Coming here at UWI is a tough hunting ground. We get our 3 points, and we're grateful and we're thankful for that. It was always emotional. I mean, you know, my heart was pumping through my chest. Always knowing that we're playing against your old club. I mean, you never know what to expect, but I think my team to the Waterhouse registered the condition and the game well. I thought from minute one we were dominant, and it was a matter of time before we scored today. And I mean, that was good work. I think this victory leading from the week of training, I think this week put a lot of work, and I think today the results show it.
I think we never managed to keep possession of the ball a lot of times. We had too many turnovers in the midfield, and the second balls also pose a problem. And whilst chasing an equalizer, we conceded a late second goal. So overall, a bad performance from us, and have to take responsibility for that and move on to the next game.
Meanwhile, 7 goals were scored at Prison Oval, where a Javon East double gave Portmore a 4-3 win over FC Reno. Ricardo Morris and Dundee Smith got Portmore's other goal, while Thorne Simpson, Renario Downswell and Javere Brown were on target for Reno. In the other early game, Dunbeholden and Humberline played out a 1-1 draw at Royal Lakes. Meanwhile, in the day's late kickoff, host Tivoli Gardens are leading Harborview 2-0, while Arnett Gardens and Montego Bay United are locked 0-0. The league continues with Monday night football, with Mount Pleasant Academy hosting Cavalier at Jack's Hall, with live coverage on TVJ at 8:35.